Hello there, journaling friends. This is Cheryl Ann. Today is Friday, August 9th. And I have a journal that I had in my shop a while ago that I pulled and I did some more work on it. I'm making these fabrics snippets that Paula Lemon was talking about on her YouTube channel. I made 5 yesterday and I put a whole bunch of them in this journal and I just love them. They're just so much fun. You just take your scraps and you take a piece of, this is just muslin, $2.99 a yard, and you just sew them on. I go through once and I tack everything down with a straight stitch, and then I go back and I use a zigzag to hold it in place, but they are just so much fun. So this journal is now loaded. I can barely close it with fabric snippets. And like I said, it does have one for a closure. I'm going to put her in my Etsy store, Deserts and Beyond. She's 9 by 6 1/4. She has 152 writing pages. It's a hardcover book, and I put scrapbook paper on the front and the back. And then along the spine, I have some fall fabric, and then each side, the front and the back, they both have one of the fabric snippets. And there's all sorts of stuff sticking out. I mean, this thing is it's so yummy. I just want to eat it. I really like it. So let's take a look. There's a fabric snippet there. It says, "Hear the call of the wild." I love fall. It's my favorite time of the year. So here's a little one I made into a tab. That's one of Honey Puddle's little mushroom cards. Oh, I did use a digital kit here. It's let me get my card. Yeah, if I don't write stuff down now, I forget it. It's Digital Collage Club Autumn Fall Memories. And it's just gorgeous. I bought it a year ago. And oh, the images that I used, they're from Pixabay, so they are all copyright free. And I've uploaded some of my own photos to Pixabay for use by the general public. So they are copyright free. So there's a fabric ruffle. Excuse me, I have to get my mouth and brain connected. There's another little snippet. Here's an autumn afternoon card, which I left blank. Here's another fabric tab. There's some light stamping. There's not very much stamping in here. This is from the kit. Oh, this is just a piece of fabric, but it was so pretty. I just decided to go ahead and staple it in there so it lifts up. This is a huge journaling card that I made with kind of just a collage here and then a fabric snippet there. Here's another page from her kit. It's just a gorgeous kit. That's from Pixabay. There's a little tab on the top. I mean, every page has something in here. Another gorgeous image. And here's a pocket. I made a little index card that I tea-dyed, so that's a little journaling card. Here's sheet music with a little fabric tab. Here's another one of my homemade cards. That's a huge envelope. I haven't put anything in it yet, but I will put something in there. And there's a fabric ruffle. Kind of matches that paper. Some of these pages might be a little sticky because I did have to glue these on. There's a fabric ruffle with a sunflower, kind of an autumn sunflower. Here's one with autumn leaves. I just love the fall. It was 68 degrees here this morning. There's another card with some birds. So I ran out back, and there's some trees. This one I didn't attach. This one you can put anywhere you want. I just put it in with a paper clip, or you can use it as a bookmark. These are just so versatile. You can use them on anything. Oh, by the way, I did look up all my stamps, and I am using them according to the copyright. So I did check every single stamp that I have. Here's another one, and this one I put some that burlap on, and then there's some eyelash trim. I mean, there's just so many things you can do with those. This one I added a little flower. Just the colors are just, oh, I just love the fall colors. And there's a little tab. There's another little journaling card. You can move these cards anywhere you want, 'cause they're either in a pocket or they're attached with a paper clip. Look at that fall leaf fabric. Isn't that gorgeous? Another ruffle. Another image. That's a forest image. It reminds me of the Eastern Sierra, or up in Arizona on the Mogollon Rim. Places we just love. Here's some scrapbook paper made into a little tag. Oh, here's a fabric tag, and then on the back, I love to see the stitching on the back. So that goes there, and it sticks up. That's why this journal is so chunky. There's another snippet. But look at these, these paper. This kit is just gorgeous. I will link it in both the description and in the comments. So if you want to go over and take a look at her shop. There's another fabric snippet. It's just so much fun because I always have so much fabric left over. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a gorgeous print. Oh, and this one I wanted to include, and again, I didn't, it's just attached with, I stapled it, but I thought, somebody could write there and lift it up, and so if you don't like it there, you can always move it. Oh, and look at this, the poem. Another pocket. And, she has two signatures, so that's the first one. Here's the second one. She's real outdoorsy. Another digital print, and another tag. The acorns. Yes, it's going to be acorn season up in our local mountains. I used to go up there. I used to bring home acorns for the blue jay till the Cooper's Hawk got him. This one, I wanted to use this fabric, so I put it on the card and made a little thing at the top so you can see that one. There's a fabric ruffle. There's a little snippet. That's a snippet of a snippet. It's just a real small piece. One, like I said, I think I actually made 7 of them yesterday. And I went through them just as fast as I could make them. I just used them full up, so I have to make some more. Fall Delight. Yes, fall is delightful. And this is a fabric pocket of some sunflower, kind of autumn sunflowers. And then here's another tag that I sewed around. So that one kind of sticks up a little bit. Here's another snippet piece. So you get the idea on how to use these. Paula Lemon has a really good video on how she makes hers. She had this huge roll. There's some fabric. It was like, I don't know how many yards her roll was. It probably took over half the house. There's one, and then I added a couple little flowers, a little tab, a little duck in the pond. I thought the colors here went well with the card. I mean, it's just so much fun doing these. Like, why didn't I think of this sooner? And here's the middle of the second signature. Isn't that gorgeous? There's another snippet, another ruffled fabric, another snippet. I mean, there's something on just about every page here. Another Pixabay photo, another fabric ruffle, another snippet, another card. Another snippet. I mean, you just use your scraps, and I have all these curtains. I hit the little thrift store up in the mountains, and I got like 5 things of curtains. There's another photo. Another little fabric ruffle, another snippet. Oh, I don't know why that's in there. I guess I need to do that one. Probably to remind me to do it. There's another little journaling card. There's another homemade one with fabric scraps and a little bit of a snippet on it. So they're very versatile. You can use them for a lot of things. On your journaling cards, on edges of your pages, edges of your journals. And see, this one, because this is a hardcover book, I wasn't able to sew it in, so I did use Fabri-Tac. And then this one wraps all the way around, ta-da, to keep it closed. So this is all I have left, and I made this one this morning at 6 o'clock this morning. The husband was still asleep. So I'm going to list this journal in my Etsy shop, which is Deserts and Beyond, and I will put the link in the description. And come on over and take a look, and thanks for stopping by. Until next time, bye for now.